Good morning, sir. My name is Vincent G. Labe, BSMP 2YB13, and I'm reporting Annex 3, Regulation 124. Annex 3, Regulation number 1 specify the application of regulation for the prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried by the CPAC form. This regulation defines the scope and condition under which the rule within Annex 3 apply to various substances and situation during maritime transportation. It's essential for ensuring the safety and environmentally responsible handling of packaged substance at the sea. Regulation 2 of Annex 3. Convention deals with the packaging of harmful substance carried by the sea. It outlines requirements and standards for the packaging of such substance to ensure their safety, transportation, and minimize the risk of pollution. These regulations are in place to protect the marine environment and prevent accidents or leaks during the sea transport. Regulation 3 of Annex 3. Convention address the marking and labeling requirement for harmful substance carried by the sea. These regulations specify how containers and packages containing hazardous materials must be marked and labeled to provide important information to those handling and transporting them. The goal is to ensure the safety handling and identification of this substance to prevent accidents and protect the marine environment. Regulation number 4 of Annex 3. It outlines what information and documents must accompany the shipment of such substance. This document must accompany the shipment of this documentation typically includes details about the cargo, its hazard, emergency response procedures, and more. Ensuring that the appropriate documentation is provided is crucial for safe transportation and hazardous materials and for facilitating effective emergency response measures if needed. That's all for Annex 3, Regulation 1 to 4. Thank you, sir.